What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, the 10K Property Report. I am Kay, and today we're going to talk about an $8,000 duplex that I found on Zillow that you probably missed. Why? Because it just came out and I wanted to reveal it to you and share it with you. So without further ado, let's get it. So this duplex is in Toledo, Ohio. It's $8,500. And let's get into the pictures. But before I get into the pictures, I really want you to always, on each and every one of my videos, to make sure you do your own due diligence. I'm finding these properties on Zillow, and I'm being very kind to share these properties with you. So if you are interested, you can act on it, but you have to make sure that you do your own due diligence. So without further ado, once again, let's go ahead and get started. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath duplex. So I'm only assuming that 2 bedrooms and 1 bath is on one side, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the other side. It's 2,340 square feet, okay? Toledo, Ohio. Let's click the picture, let's enlarge it. Let's scroll through each and every picture and comment. Not a lot of yard space, which is actually kind of good, especially if you're thinking about being an owner occupant. So if you wanted to house hack this situation, you could live on one side, right? Live on one side of the duplex and rent out the other side. You could fix up everything and essentially be living rent free because the other side will be paying for your mortgage. Actually, no mortgage, cash. That's right. It's $8,000, $8,500. So I get caught up because on my other channel, I do talk about mortgages and stuff like that, but this one is all cash. And that is the great opportunity here. If you're a beginning investor or an investor in general, or you are an owner occupant, you just want a home for yourself, somewhere to call your own, this may be a good opportunity for you, okay? So this is the interior of the home. I'm not sure what is pictured here, but I failed to mention that this is 2,340 square feet. So keep that in mind. Not too big. It's a smaller duplex, but big enough to generate an income. All right. So I did see these pictures earlier, and I do want to say this picture kind of scared me a little bit because I was like, oh, what is this? I thought it was a person right there, but it looks like a baby doll. I don't know why the baby doll is undercover in this picture. It just looked a little to me. So, but I wanted to share that. And when I saw it, I got spooked out a little bit, laughed, and kept it moving. But yeah, this is not sure. And I do see some, some repairs, of course. It's $8,500. You're going to need some repairs somewhere. So I do see the walls will need repair. And yeah, repairs here. This looks like the attic, potentially. I don't know if you could make that a living space or not. Not necessarily sure. Okay, stairs. From the outside, it doesn't look like it would be, have stairs and stuff like that, but it does, which is pretty cool. Thank you, realtor. Thank you, photographer, for posting or having at least 21 pictures. It just gives us some variety, some information. That was the bathroom, by the way, of what we're looking at. So we know exactly, if this is a viable option for the audience and for myself too. I consider each and every property first before I give it to you guys, by the way. Sometimes it's just not in my portfolio criteria. Doesn't mean it's a bad deal. It's just not what I'm looking for. And other times I'm just not interested, but I always pass it along just in case you are interested. So little guitar here. Okay. I assume that was the living room. And it does appear, let me go back. It does appear that, whoever had this home, whoever owned this home, was in the process of potentially renovating. I see, containers here. Looks like some wood here. They probably, were going to do some repairs, but didn't quite finish or start for that matter. All right. And I don't know if that's a back door. You have like a bar here. I don't know if that's the front or back door. That's what I meant. But it is a bed, so not sure if that's the bedroom or not. I doubt it, but who knows? So this is a duplex. Let's go back to the listing and kind of briefly look at what they're saying here so we can see, what they're offering. Fixer upper duplex opportunity, 2 sides, 4 bedrooms, 2 and 2 full bathrooms. Okay, 1. Okay, I understand. So 2 1. Large backyard, newer roof, needs full rehab, which we did see. It did need a full rehab. It's been on Zillow for 2 days. 2 days. This is your opportunity. Don't miss this, okay? Let me look at Street View. I love looking at Street View to kind of get a sense of the neighborhood, looking at pride of ownership, looking at, okay, so this is the subject property here. You're kind of going to go down. Okay. And I don't even think this is this property's yard. I don't know where the survey, the lot lines begin and end, but it almost appears that this cut grass is these folks' yard, but don't know. Going down, let's see. Okay. This looks completely renovated, right? It does not look like the character of the neighborhood for the most part, which it looks like a really good renovation. I like it. That alone tells me that there is some pride in this neighborhood. And I'm also curious, which I already know, right? I'm curious what the rental rate in this area is. Again, I do know. Here's some rentals back here, some apartment buildings, I should say. I love the cut grass here. I love a nice small home. Easier repairs, less expensive repairs. Whoa, Ohio, what is going on? How y'all fit? This is three separate properties. They are connected. No, they are not. That's how close they are. They look connected. Okay, that's a side note. They are literally utilizing each square footage of this neighborhood. So I rock with it. The land, they're really utilizing the land. So going back to our subject property, we kind of got a sense of the neighborhood. Let's go to below. If you are wanting to get in contact with the realtor for this particular property, their information is listed here. And I want to see the property taxes for this particular home. The annual property taxes are $400. Man, oh man. Okay. You do have to pay cash to listing terms, which I only anticipated. It's below the threshold of having that financing option available. And the rent zestimate, I'm only going on off the zestimate here because it's listed. I would do further research to see, what is the going rate for this area so that you know what you're getting into and your return on investment pretty much, okay? And cash on cash return. All right, so FEMA zone, a minimal risk flood area. That's also important. So I look at flood zones on my listings that I share on Zillow. I look at the property taxes. I also look briefly at the description, and I look at street view. I look at the pride of neighborhood and ownership within the neighborhood to see if it would be a good fit, just briefly, brief synopsis, see if it would be a good fit for me or even you, right? So if you're watching this channel, I truly do appreciate it, guys. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it. I think we can do it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this information too. If you are not in the market for a duplex, share it with a real estate investor friend or family member or whomever that you want to. And also make sure you let me know that you made it this far in the video by saying Zillow. Type Zillow in the comment section below so that I know you made it this far, and I truly do appreciate it. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And again, guys, I appreciate your support, and I will continue to bring you really quality information and things that you can use. Okay. So without further ado, I appreciate it. Not without further ado. Thank you so very, very much for watching. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.